The holiday rush has begun. Welcome back, and today we're going to be creating, not a classic, but we're going to be creating a drink that should be appropriate for Thanksgiving going into the holiday season. We're creating an Apple Jack Rabbit. This first came out in Judge Jr.'s 1927 book, quote, "Here's How," unquote, and was in a little bit of obscurity, but then revived in the mid-2000s by Jim Meehan, who is a very good bartender, and if I remember correctly, runs PDT in New York City. I've never had this cocktail, so we're going to go ahead and get into this. Before I slice this lemon, I'm actually going to go ahead and peel my garnish for it. The garnish on this is a lemon twist, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel the lemon. So right here is my lemon garnish, and I'm going to go ahead and slice this thing up. Take off the tail because that is rather obscene. Take off the head. I'm going to slice this in half. So now, need my jigger, got my lemon in half, and because I'm an idiot, also need to get my shaker. And I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now I need the same of orange juice. Juiced this before I started shooting today, just because it's a lot easier to go ahead and do that and not waste tape. 3/4 ounce of orange juice. Now I need a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. The recipe I am utilizing says grade B. I'm using grade A. Whatever you have, maple syrup is fine. And now on to what actually makes this an Apple Jack Rabbit. Applejack, Layers straight apple brandy, bottled in bond. And I need 2 ounces. Now, of course, grab your ice. And now, of course, large cube in. Take a cocktail, Mary. Beautiful. Take a Nick and Nora or a coupe, small coupe, either or. Strainer and strain. Now take your lemon peel garnish, spritz a little bit that you can, and then the Apple Jack Rabbit. Cheers. Okay, it's tart. Has a little bit of a sour quality to it because of the sweetness from the maple syrup, and then the combination of citrus juices. The Applejack is there. I feel this gives a warming sensation. Good for when the holidays are going on. Good for after Thanksgiving, after Christmas. Yeah. No, it's a fine cocktail. One that I might be enjoying a little bit more of at a later time. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share the video, please. Let's get this going. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click them, make a purchase, then I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance if you choose to do so. And with getting to the holiday season, it's a good gift guide as well. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on YouTube, my personal YouTube channel, Saturday nights 8 p.m. Doesn't always happen, but please take a look out. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.